Well, there's what's left after having a nice little incident on the interstate, hitting a deer at 77 miles an hour. What's amazing is on this Subaru, the airbags did not deploy any of the airbags. It was a loud bang and I was ready for them to deploy, but man, was I lucky. A lot of damage, but from what I've been researching, it looks like some of this stuff here you can actually buy, like this piece here. It pushed back in. I'll need another radiator. The air conditioning, believe it or not, still works. This bumper is in great shape. Well, the metal part, big solid bumper, but the plastic piece, man, it's trashed. What's amazing is all the fog lights, all the headlights, every light still worked, even though it was all hanging out. And the other thing is, I drove it home. Kept putting my hand down by the heater, making sure I still had heat, cooling, going through the system after the radiator got smashed in. This is the condenser. The radiator is actually back here. There's a hole there. It pushed this back so far, this hose got jammed up against the pulley and it tore a hole in the radiator. Well, I was lucky, it got close. It did shift these two fans back, and a little closer it would have got into the plastic down here, timing chain, the timing belt cover. And this fan over here, it is kind of locked up. It's right there, it's jammed. You have to, like, I don't know what it's hitting. But the whole thing right now is, I'm going to try to pull a lot of this out. I'm going to use a pipe, put it against the bar, put a hook here. A lot of this, I can almost do it with my hand, but if I can get this piece kind of straightened up a little bit, the Subaru is going to live again. It's going to continue to run. It does run. Didn't hurt the drivetrain or the transmission. Other than that, I just can't find any more damage. Just a lot of parts. Both headlights are trashed, especially that one. This one here is still good, except the bracket is broke off right here on the headlight over here, and I don't know if I can make another bracket or not. Save a headlight. These parts are not cheap. There's where it's broke off there. On this top piece, these pieces are okay. Except for this one. This one's good. That one's good. But anyway, there's some more pieces. What's left of the grill. I've had a few deer, but this one kind of scared the crap out of me. It made such a big bang. I saw it coming. I tried to stop, tried to miss. With all the traffic around me, it was impossible. Two cars behind me almost got the deer too, but they missed it. But I had to go right for this. Just little old me. So, but the good news here is, since I'm pretty self-sufficient, I think we can straighten a lot of this out. Get her back in good condition. Didn't do much to the hood at all. Just kind of pushed that back a little bit right there on the fender. Hood's in great shape though. So anyway, so that's life in the Northeast, you know, or anywhere really. If there's deer, you never know when they're going to jump out in front of you, and they certainly can cause a lot of damage. So maybe I'll make another video after I kind of get it all back together. The fascia piece down here on the bottom with these fog lights, that's about $300. This piece here I can get, the support bracket on eBay, I think I saw it for about $400, $350, but I'm gonna go on Facebook Marketplace, maybe find some used stuff people might need. That don't need, I should say. And maybe get something like that. Radiator support bracket, it's toast. So I'm gonna try to fix it temporarily until get some more parts coming in. But I got my truck right now to drive. So anyway, just a little update. We're gonna make the Subaru live again, and she's gonna run again.